6 through 9. Noah was a righteous man, blameless among the people of his time, and he walked with God. But the earth, it was corrupt in God's sight, and was full of evil and violence. Man had messed up God's beautiful creation.
We had wealth, Lord It can't possibly be a giant boat. There's not enough water anywhere around here to float a boat that big. We'll know very soon. Here come Noah and our husbands right now.
Noah did everything just as God commanded him. He and his 3 sons, Shem, Ham, and Japheth, immediately set out to work. During all the years it took to build the ark, Noah's neighbors never tired of stopping by to heckle or jeer at Noah and his sons while they worked.
Say, Noah, what are you doing? What's all this lumber for?
Yeah, what are you possibly going to build in the desert?
Follow the instructions, follow the instructions. Put together us an ark. How long is this ark going to be? How long is this ark going to be? 300 cubits, 300 cubits. Wow! Wow! How wide is this ark going to be? How wide is this ark going to be? 50 cubits wide, 50 cubits wide. Wow! Wow! How high is this ark going to be? How high is this ark going to be? 30 cubits high, 30 cubits high. Wow! Wow!
It looks like a boat you're building, but aren't we a long way from any water?
I think Noah has lost his marbles.
A boat out here in the desert? I think he's cracking up.
What do you expect from a guy that's 600 years old?
How many decks is this ark going to have? How many decks is this ark going to have? Lower, middle, upper, 3 decks, 3 decks. That's a lot of boat. That's a lot of boat. 3 decks, 3 decks. Lower, middle, upper, wow. Wow. Put together us an ark. Gonna put together us an ark. Follow
When the ark was finally finished, God spoke again to Noah.
Noah, I am establishing my covenant with you. Now go into the ark, you and your sons and your wife and your sons' wives. You are to bring into the ark 2 of all living creatures, male and female, to keep them alive with you. 2 of every kind of bird, of every kind of animal, and of every kind of creature that moves along the ground will come to you to be kept alive. You are to take every kind of food that is to be eaten and store it away as food for you and for them.
1, 2, 3, 4, don't be late. 5, 6, 7, 8, celebrate. Animals dancing, 2 by 2, rocking in the ark in Noah's zoo. See the animals dancing 2 by 2, turkeys, tigers, kangaroos, cheetahs, chipmunks, porcupines. Watch the fairy chorus line, the elephants, carts, and the gerbils. Foxes, sharks, golden odd pigs, and the honeybees all together now. Let's not stop. Dancing 2 by 2, hippos, hummingbirds, cuckoos, cheetahs, jaguars, porcupines. Watch the fairy chorus line, the elephants, and the gerbils. Foxes, sharks, and the golden
Bye.